Hi, I'm Monica, the esthetician student, and I am working on a vitamin C facial. I am so excited about it. It is so beautiful the way that Sijin is glowing right now. Let me go ahead and show you. I applied this beautiful mask. It's a mango mask on her. Oh, it's gonna give her all the greatest nutrients. It's gonna brighten her skin, anti-wrinkle, all the great benefits everybody wants with antioxidants. Okay, here we go.
What is it? Is it mango mask?
Yes. Okay. Looks good. Say hi, Sijin.
Hi.
Yeah, she's so comfy. So yep, next I'm gonna do the hammer on her, and I'm excited. Hi, Brianna. What is your favorite thing about being an esthetician student?
Probably the waxing so far.
Okay. Thank you. Miss Anshara, what is your favorite thing about that you studied an esthetician?
I love facials. I love lash lifting. I do love waxing. In short, I love everything.
Oh, okay. And Mary, what is your favorite thing about being an esthetician student?
Learning new information.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, you know what? You're not going to escape from me. Okay, Felicia, ladies. Okay.
Then tomorrow.
What is
I'll
your
do it
favorite
with you, so I'll have
thing?
more time.
My favorite thing is waxing right now, but I am most excited to learn like eyelash extensions.
Oh, yeah. You have pretty eyelashes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What is your favorite thing?
My favorite's waxing and facials, but I'm excited to do lashes.
Oh, that's cool too. And what is your favorite thing?
My favorite thing is so far is waxing and facials, but I can't wait to learn eyelashes.
Oh, that is so cool. Yeah, everybody, I noticed everybody's saying eyelashes.
It's gonna be fun.
Mine right now is facials, but I'm excited to learn lashes.
Oh, that's cool. Hey. Hi, this is my beautiful class. My beautiful, everybody is so great. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine. I keep it really simple. My skin is more like on the sensitive side. My skin is combination skin, oily on the T-zone and dry on my cheek area. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the products that I've used tonight. So I already washed my face with the Cerave Foaming Facial Cleanser. And this cleanser is really great because it does have niacinamide in it, which calms my skin. And it hydrates my skin with the hyaluronic acid ingredients in it. I also do enjoy the fact that it's protecting the skin barrier, it repairs it. So I really do enjoy this facial cleanser. It is oil-free, it's normal to oily skin formula, so it'll be great for somebody that has combination skin like myself. Now I do have the serum that I use nightly, which is the Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum by Cerave. Oh my goodness, I love this serum. It is very lightweight, very moisturizing, and well, I just usually apply it in the nighttime mainly, not too much in the morning. Because I do find that in the morning, if I do apply it and if I wear my makeup, it'll peel the foundation. And now I'm gonna move on with my Cerave Eye Repair Cream. I do love this cream as well because it does help with combating dark circles. But I noticed that it's very moisturizing as well. It is very lightweight. as well. Most of these products are very lightweight, with the exception of the sunscreen one, the moisturizing lotion with the SPF 50, which you'll see tomorrow on my vlog. But yeah, so this feels very creamy, very moisturizing. It does soothe the skin as well. And I do love it because it's going to be moisturizing with the hyaluronic acid. Has all the same ingredients in it. Hyaluronic acid, it also has ceramides in it. Great for the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move on to my Cerave PM Facial Moisturizer. It is oil-free. It's great for those with combination skin or oily skin. So this is going to moisturize your skin throughout the night, protect the skin barrier. It has all those great ingredients. I use like 3 pumps. For the skin, if you have like any concerns with dryness, it's really good for that. But it sinks into the skin really lovely, so it doesn't feel like sticky or like it just stays there all day, but it does feel like it's moisturizing, like it's hydrating it. So I do love that moisturizer for that reason. It also has the ceramides, it has the hyaluronic acid, so it's a great protector. My last step of my skincare routine is going to be the Aquaphor lip repair. I do love this because my lips are dry, so I need to focus on my lips as well. You know, it's part of the skin, so I do that. Sometimes I will use a lip mask that I do have in the nighttime. Which is the St. Ives lip scrub, watermelon scrub. It's really nice. It is a really nice lip mask. A little bit goes a long way, and it's effective. And it moisturizes your lips too. It's not drying on the lips, so that's really good as well. Now, my last step, as far as like skincare goes, on my hands. I feel like when they get really dry, I really need a good repairing moisturizing product. Preferably, usually I just use the Healing Ointment by Cerave. I switch it up. I use different moisturizers at night. But this is really nice because it's kind of like Vaseline. You can see in the tub, it's like Vaseline for the hands. But it's good for against any dryness or repairing for the skin. So it's really good. Yeah, so this is my nighttime routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my video. And I will perform the daytime routine in the morning. Have a great rest of your night. Bye. Good morning. So this is my routine every day before I start school. So I went ahead and I already used the Cerave Foaming Facial Cleanser. It was really nice in the morning. And then I'm gonna move on to my eye repair cream. So this is an eye cream that is very moisturizing through the day, so that's very nice, but it is lightweight. That's what I like about it too. Okay, and then I'm gonna move on to my moisturizer, which is the Cerave Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 50. I feel like I need a high SPF so that it could really keep the sun at bay, because I feel like the sun has been stronger lately, and it helps with that. I'm also gonna apply my Aquaphor lip repair. It is wonderfully lip moisturizer for my lips. And the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply my Cerave Healing Ointment moisturizer, which is another great thing for my skin to help repair it throughout the day. It has a lot of ceramides in it and hyaluronic acid, which is great for moisturizing and repairing the skin. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi, I'm on my way to school, and this is my neighborhood. It is 8:14 a.m. and I'm on my way to school now. I'm gonna be there soon, on time. It's very big to be to school on time for me. So I will see you guys later. Bye. I have arrived at school. Yes, this is my school. And I can't wait to start. Okay, so I'm walking to my school, which is Naperville Skin Institute. I love it here. This is the entrance. Class hasn't begun yet, but I'm excited to start. And about to punch in. Hi. So everybody's in class on time. Exciting. We just took our test and we're ready for break. So this is the video of my school. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.